what's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell beside it for you to get notified whenever I upload new videos in this channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Telegram app icon. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. For the first step, open your Telegram app, and in the right side, makikita nyo tong settings icon. Click nyo lang yan. Then, click Appearance. Then, scroll down lang kayo sa baba at makikita nyo tong app icon. So, makakakita kayo dito ng napakaraming app icon. So, may black, may blue, and kakulay ng Messenger. And as you can see, meron ding mga premium na nakalock. Ibig sabihin may bayad yan. So, dito lang tayo sa free muna. So, ito try natin isa-isa. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe.